President Trump's crackdown on illegal immigration has heightened concern among the nation's undocumented workers. With facility raids and National Guard troop deployments, the effects are being felt from coast to coast. But is the concern limited just to the workforce, or do those doing the hiring have reason to worry as well? Can Alabama employers be punished for hiring undocumented immigrants? We verify. Most of us know about the repercussions undocumented immigrants face if they are caught: detainment, likely deportation, and other consequences. But do those who facilitate their livelihoods face their own reckoning? Let's verify. Our sources are the Code of Alabama, federallawyer.com, federal court records in the U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Here's what the Department of Homeland Security has to say about these things. The federal government considers a business to have knowingly hired an unauthorized person if it enters into, renegotiates, or extends a contract or subcontract to obtain the labor of a person it knows is not authorized to work in the United States. And in such cases, DHS may impose penalties if an investigation confirms such findings. The department will issue a notice of intent to fine when it intends to impose penalties. If you receive this notice, you can request a hearing before an administrative law judge, but the clock will be ticking. If DHS does not receive a hearing request within 30 days, they will impose the penalty and issue a final order, which cannot be appealed. According to federallawyer.com, that fine can range from $250 to $10,000 per illegal employee hired, depending on how many times the employer has been found to have hired such employees in the past. If you or your business are convicted of engaging in a pattern of knowingly hiring unauthorized people, you could face both fines and up to 6 months of imprisonment. The state of Alabama also has its own laws on this matter. According to state code, no business entity, employer, or public employer shall knowingly employ, hire for employment, or continue to employ an unauthorized alien to perform work within the state of Alabama. Upon the first violation of this law, the court can order the employer to terminate the employment of every unauthorized person. They can subject the business to a 3-year probationary period during which they must file quarterly reports. They can order the business to file a signed, sworn affidavit with the local DA stating that all unauthorized employees have been terminated and that they will never knowingly employ an unauthorized person again. And they can suspend the business licenses and permits of the business for up to 10 days. So we can verify that yes, Alabama employers can be penalized for knowingly employing undocumented immigrants. However, in the past decade, few, if any, federal cases have actually been filed against employers in Alabama for hiring undocumented immigrants. If you have something you want us to verify, text us at 256-382-2692.